Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Taurians. Okay, so on your side we have the Knight of Swords rushing in towards someone very fast. Let's see what's there on your person side. Wow, the Ace of Cups. So definitely emotional fulfillment, happiness, emotional fulfillment. Let's see what's the most likely outcome for Taurians. The Chariot, things start moving very fast. Things just get rolling. So let's see what's there in the clarifiers. Why is this? What are you rushing towards? What's this Knight of? Why is this Knight of Swords here for? What's behind the scenes? The Knight of Swords. The cards are just okay. Okay, we have the death and the rebirth. The Eight of Swords. Okay, the Hangman. And the card which had popped out at that time was the Devil. Okay, I'll take that also. So things are not as easy as they were looking over there with the Knight of Swords. Anyway, let's see. Things are just falling for you. So why is this Ace of Cups here for on your person's side? What's this? Nothing wants to come out. Okay. So we have the Ten of Swords here. The Seven of Swords. Oh, okay. There is a lot going on in this situation. The Magician. Okay, we'll take 4 on this side also. 3 of Cups. Okay. Let's see why is I don't want to take this one. Let's see why is this Chariot here for. Okay, we have the Ten of Wheels, the Judgment, something major going on, and the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, that is why you are rushing in. So Taurians, as I've already told you, with the Knight of Swords, you are rushing in towards someone very, very fast. You really are not in any mood to lose this opportunity or this person, whatever it is. Okay, it may be a second opportunity with the same person. It may be a new person, but it is something, I'm saying a second opportunity seeing these cards over here. Okay, so maybe there was a situation which ended and it's again come up, can be that, or it may be a new person for what, but whatever the situation here is, you are rushing in towards this person very fast, with don't want to lose a second, lose an opportunity, lose a moment to just get this person. And here with the Ace of Cups, this person, I think you view this person as your emotional fulfillment, because this is what this person is offering you. So this is the reason that you just don't want to miss an opportunity over here. So this person is your emotional satisfaction, emotional gratification. This is a person who is giving you a lot of emotional contentment. Okay. And here for the Knight of Swords, we have the Death and the Rebirth, the Eight of Swords, the Hanged Man, and the Devil. So for most of you, what I feel is, it is a situation which was stuck since a long, long time. Things were just not moving forward because you were not able to release your whatever was holding you back. You were not able to release your uh, whatever experiences, whatever notions, whatever was in your head which was just holding you back. So this was the time with the hanged man, that this was the reason that you were not able to commit or come out for some reason for commitment towards this person. So I think you were not able to open up perhaps, or you were not able to commit to this person. Things were just there hanging, stuck, and things were just not happening. That situation is ending with the death and the rebirth card. For some reason, what I and with the devil over here. You are addicted to this person. You really want this person. And with the death and the rebirth card, what I feel is you are now opening up to this person. This situation is gaining momentum. So I think this thing is ending with the hangman and the eight of swords. So the energy which was coming because of this eight of swords, the things were stuck, things were not moving forward. You were not able to come out and make a move. You were not able to open up for emotionally, perhaps, even if you were together. Something was definitely holding you back, which was causing stagnation in this relationship. But the thing here is that you really want this person. And with the death and rebirth card, what I feel is there is some sort of realization perhaps which comes in, that you realize that you can't stay with this person. This is your emotional fulfillment, this person, and you decide to come out with the death and the rebirth card. You decide to end this hangman situation and open up and begin this relationship actually. Okay, so maybe it is the time that you release this eight of swords energy and this hangman energy. Once this realization comes that you really need this person and this situation is ending, and you decide to open up, and once this realization comes, you start rushing towards this person with eight of swords, because you know that this person is your wish fulfillment. This person is the person who gives you a lot of love, perhaps a lot of attention, a lot of gratification, whatever it is. But this is a person you cannot stay without. So this person is your emotional fulfillment and you are addicted to this person. Okay, so you are coming back to this person perhaps. If it is somebody new, then you are ending this situation that you were not able to open up for a relationship, be it any relationship, if it's a new one. And because of that, things were hanging in your life. Okay, and it was sort of a pattern, it's sort of addiction that you were just holding back. It was a negative psyche on your part that you were not able to release this eight of swords energy, which things were holding you back, and you were not able to move ahead in your own life, and that situation is ending. And once you realize that you need to end this situation, or improve your thought process in your psyche with the devil, you are releasing your addictions perhaps over here. And that is what you are doing with the eight of swords and the devil. It can be that also for the people who are into a new relationship. So with the eight of swords and the devil, things which were holding you back, things which were not letting you move forward in life and were causing that stagnancy in your life, with the hanged man, that situation is coming to an end. And we have the rebirth also. So, and that rebirth is being manifested with the knight of swords, that you are rushing in towards somebody new. Then whatever it is, it can be the same person, it can be the new person. And here for the ace of cups, we have the 10 of swords, the 7 of swords, the magician, and the 3 of cups. So with the 3 of cups, definitely can be a reunion for some of you. Okay, for others, for the person who is for people who are moving in towards a new relationship, it is talking about celebration. So here for the ace of cups, with the 10 of swords, we have the 7 of swords, the magician, and the 3 of cups. So what I feel here is that there was some sort of non-committal behavior or some sort of deception here also. But that situation is also ending with the 10 of swords. This person is also done with that feeling perhaps, that this person perhaps was being playful, taking things lightly, being sneaky, hiding their emotions, They were not perhaps opening up at that time, and now they're done with that situation, and they are also offering you a lot of love. It can be that also. Or maybe this is their nature with the Seven of Swords. But this person was definitely hiding something over here. And with the Magician and the Three of Cups, what I feel is this person is done with this behavior basically. Whatever was going on with the Seven of Swords, sneakiness, deception, lies, cheating, not telling your own feelings, not telling your true feelings, hiding your feelings from the other person. Whatever was going on in this situation with the Ten of Swords, that is ending. And with the Magician and the Three of Cups, this person is taking control, opening up, and that is what now they are also ready to offer, and you are just galloping in towards this person. Okay, and with the Three of Cups, definitely it is, if it is a reconciliation, it is a reconciliation. Otherwise, it is just being together, celebrating happy times, and celebrating that togetherness. Okay, so maybe in that case, the new ones, they were dealing with somebody who was not committing at that time, and now they are ready to commit, and they are offering that love to you. With the Chariot as the most likely outcomes, things will get going pretty fast. The things will get rolling, and you're just ready for a move and ready to commit in this relationship, because here we have the Wheel, the Judgment, and the Ten of Pentacles. So what I feel is this is definitely something which is long standing. Things are now moving ahead, and here with the Ten of Pentacles, definitely a commitment is coming in. So this relationship is ultimately coming to a commitment. It's been pretty long time. Things were perhaps stagnant or not moving ahead, and now things are changing once this person realizes that they need to open up. And this person, just see, this person was not also not opening up, and this person was not opening up. So both of you were hiding your feelings, not any, but for whatever reason. And here you are also done with it, and here with the Death and Rebirth card, this person is also done with the situation. And then when both of you realize that, you are just ready for the commitment with the Wheel of Fortune, the Judgment, and the Ten of Cups. It is something long standing. It is something you really wanted to happen, and there is commitment over here with the Ten of Pentacles. So let's see what is the guidance from the universe. Okay, express love through gifts. Number 19 may be of some significance for you. Express love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. So it's talking about opening up. That is what you are doing. You need to express your love, be it the time you need to spend with each other. Maybe you need to open up, maybe you need to give some gifts, or whatever it is. Basically it is talking about expression. So you need to express, and that is what you are realizing now, and expressing your feelings, and that is how things are now coming together, and things are moving towards commitment. So beautiful reading, Taurians. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and do subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.